My daughter shared her conjunctivitis with me, so excuse the permanently baked look I've got going on here, but the show must go on, so here's today's video. This is the Ubiquiti Gate Access Starter Kit, something that I have been waiting for a very, very long time. Now, there are folks who have been kind of hacking this or jury-rigging it using the regular access control panel and the intercom, which is in the box here. But this is a completely redone access hub specifically for gates, and I'll show you why. Let's get this opened up. This pops open like this, and inside we find the new gate access hub as well as the intercom, which you'll recognize from some of the other unboxing videos and some of the other videos that have been done on that. So take this out. This is on the back. It does say that it is the UA Intercom. So this is your standard intercom, just like the other intercoms that you've seen people have done videos on before, and has been out for a little while now. One thing to note with this is that you do need to plug the intercom into a hub. It will not plug directly into the network. It will not adopt, so that's important. Next up on here, we have the Ubiquiti Gate Access Hub. So let's get that in there. This has on it a, was that a reset button or is that just a reset light? Hard to tell. Gate exit request, gate position, side door exit request, side door position, emergency. Then on this side, gate operator, side door lock with 12 volt 1 amp, and auxiliary no power. And that's going to be through all of these here, which these obviously push down, the wires go in on the sides and so on. Up on the top here, we've got PoE in, PoE++ in, then 4 PoE ports up top, and then nothing on the bottom. On the back is the mount. Showing off the rest in the box, you've got your hardware kit on this side, and then you have your wall mount kit over here. So tackling the hardware kit first, this opens up this way, and inside we have, this is a PoE++ injector. It'll be important for all that power going through there. It's your standard injector, if I'm not mistaken here. Wow, that font is tiny, and I'm getting old. Or maybe it's just the conjunctivitis is badass. Then you've got little mounting screws in there for that, and of course a power cable, just the usual standard Ubiquiti power cable. I'm gonna pop that back in there so that I don't lose that. Same with this. Then up top you have an RX and a TX receiving and sending units here. And that, the bottom there, got PoE out on the top there, like so. And the opposite is true on the other side. You got your TX, bottom there, and PoE in on this side. And you've got some little teeny tiny mounting screws for those underneath each of those as well. Slide those back in there, and then up top here you have the mounting bracket, which, oops, there's a ply in here. The mounting bracket, which mounts into the back of here, which you should be familiar with from the other hubs, if I'm not mistaken. And then underneath there is your mounting screw kit as well. Over onto the wall mount kit. This whole thing slides out like this, and underneath that are some more mounting screws, like so. And some more mounting screws. Now inside here, this looks similar to some of the other Ubiquiti slide-out kits. You've got the mounting backplate, complete with grommet there for waterproofing. And of course, the Ubiquiti mounting template, like you'll find on pretty much all of the Ubiquiti products. Oops, I was holding that upside down. So that will mount onto the back of here, like so. Again, this is the UA Intercom and Gate Access Control Hub. As I mentioned before, you need to plug this Ethernet cable into this hub, otherwise this will not adopt into Unify Access. One thing to note, this is something I have been waiting for and begging for a long time. If you pair this with a license plate recognition camera, one of the AI models excluding the 360, I believe, so the Bullet, the AI Bullet, AI DSLR, AI Pro, and AI Theta, you are finally going to be able to automatically unlock the gate based on a registered license plate. Thank you, Ubiquiti! Yay! Also included in this, you're going to be able to unlock using NFC, Unify Identity, a PIN code, or a QR code, which you'll be able to scan with the camera. This is a 4K camera up top. What else do we have in here? Directory and doorbell request to entry, like you would expect from this device. It is weatherproof. As I mentioned, there's a 4K camera up top here, as well as an LED floodlight. This also has proximity and ambient sensors, and as you can see, it's huge, has a 7-inch touchscreen. The Gate Access Starter Kit costs $699 and will be available on July 19th. Subscribe to the channel for full reviews of this and more.